Welcome back to my channel, and on today's video we are going to do what's in my dance bag. So I'll be showing you guys what you should be packing in your dance bag when you go to like rehearsals, shows, music videos, so always be ready and prepared, okay? Because an unprepared dancer is a no-no. I'm here to help you dancers prepare for the industry. Guys, to better your career in these little tiny things that really do matter. And one of the things is a dance bag. You need to have a dance bag at all times, ready to go for whatever, for a show, music videos, auditions. It's the same thing, you know, you don't have to really take it out. You could even just leave it in here and then leave it in your car, okay? So you can either have like a duffel bag, a book bag, or even like a suitcase if you don't want to carry it, but I use this sometimes. So of course, you gotta have your perfume, okay? You don't want to be stank at rehearsals. We don't like that. Perfume, deodorant. You always want to keep it hygiene, smelling good, all right? So you just do a little spritz, 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 boom. Do a little TT, okay, boom. Next, I always bring my charger with me because you know these rehearsals could be 4 hours, 8 hours, you never know. So charger, yes, is a must. Usually in rehearsals, you will wear all black. So let's say if your outfit is really sweaty and it stinks and you want to change, always bring like an extra pair of clothes just in case if, I don't know, if my shirt is like really sweaty and I just want to change into a dryer shirt. You never know. I bring a sweat rag. This has helped me a lot. Little things like that that you usually forget, and then when you're actually there, like in your rehearsal or on set, you're like, dang, I wish I had a sweat rag. Hello. Be ready. So if you're on set doing a music video, they usually require you to bring like nudes or black bras, so always come prepared to bring both because you never know. So always have nude undergarments and then black undergarments. You usually don't know what you're wearing until you're on set, okay? That also goes with your fishnets. I'm just showing you different kinds of fishnets. So you have like these are like the dancer fishnets that you could like buy online somewhere. So you could bring fishnets or you could bring tights. I get these at Hooters and they're like $5. So yeah. Or even black fishnets. Because you just never know. Like you really don't know. You want to be prepared. As I said, the undergarments, you want to bring your black underwear, nude underwear, extra socks if you need socks. Of course, your makeup bag, hello. Especially in auditions, you're learning bam, 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 and then you're sweating like crazy. Bring your makeup bag so you can just go to the bathroom really quick, touch up, and then you're good to go. You always want to be prepared. Prepared. Because we love a prepared dancer. Get down. Oh, I just scared my cat. So another thing is heels. You never know. It's like we really never know. That's the crazy part. But it's just in case. You always want to be prepared. As I said, prepared because you will never know. So heels. Sometimes you don't wear them. Most of the times I don't. So I'll probably just leave them in my car. But if you're going out of town for a show, then yeah. Unless they tell you then don't bring your heels, then yeah, don't bring it. But other than that, heels. Especially in auditions. Auditions, just bring your heels just in case. I buy my heels from Burju. They're pretty good. They've lasted me a couple years. But I recently just bought new heels on Amazon. So you could just type in dance heels on Amazon. Get, you know, the 4-inch, 3-inch, whatever you're comfortable with. And those have been working really good for me. Like, really good. And then, you need a little fan. Like, wouldn't you be jealous if you're hot in auditions or on set and then you see someone next to you with a fan while you're sweating your ass off? Because I would. You can either get a fan like this or you could get the actual portable fans on Amazon. Yeah, just get a fan, please, trust me. Because you will not regret it when you're sweating your balls off and you got a fan. And then now, what the? Dorsey, get down. You will not regret having a fan because when you're sweating, you could instantly just take it out, do a little boom, 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 and then your sweat is gone. You feel better, way better in auditions or on set instead of you just being hot. So a fan is very trusty. Then obviously, last but not least, you need your water bottle, baby, okay? Of course you need a water bottle. I like the big water bottles because some places may not have water fountains or water available to you, so you can just quickly fill it up at your house as much as you need, and then you're good to go. But yeah, definitely a water bottle for sure. And yeah, that's what's in my dance bag. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Hopefully this video really helped you to become a better and more prepared dancer in the industry, especially if you're just starting. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Bye!